Hello people and welcome back to Caught on DashCam channel, a channel that features only the craziest road moments ever caught on driver's dashcam. Today we prepared a really cool episode full of all sorts of crazy moments. All the clips shared in today's video are for educational purposes and hopefully you'll enjoy watching them. Without any further ado, let's get this episode underway. Driver made a right onto the wrong side of the road, but that's not all, folks. He hops onto the curb to correct himself, and everything looked like a circus act.
Easy for people to walk. To walk away from Bud Light, much easier than these other companies. We will have to see what kind of legs this whole movement has, and whether companies,
This video is yet another proof of drivers having a really short fuse. Driver on the right side of the camera did not signal at all as he tried to change lanes, and despite that, the camera still stopped and he let him in. But then reckless driver ran a red light and cut right in front of the biker. It immediately came to a road rage and the biker was visibly upset. But the most shocking moment is yet to come. Check it out. This cyclist caught a lot of driving fails, and I really mean a lot of them. Drivers on their phones texting and driving, parking in bike lanes, cutting others off without looking at all, and many more. The purpose of these clips is to make you think about how bad this type of road behavior actually is. Try to learn as much as possible from these mistakes.
That's better. Put it in your holder. Oh yeah. What are you doing? You shouldn't have gone. If it's not clear, then don't go. You're out there in the middle. If it's not clear, if the road isn't clear, don't go.
I didn't. I was already up there.
In the middle of the intersection? It's pretty simple. If there's not room on the other side, don't go.
I didn't.
Yes, you did. You were out here in the middle of the intersection when your light turned red and mine turned green. You should read the traffic code.
This rude driver completely ignored the yield sign, and he didn't bother looking at all when it comes to the traffic. This cutoff resulted in a road rage, and something even worse came out of it.
The f are you doing? You mirror! I'm right here! You didn't see me? Stupid ass.
I think you have to leave a space. All the time you have to leave a space.
Yep, on the phone.
Driver carelessly reversed onto the road and blocked the oncoming traffic from moving on. Needless to say, a great driving move.
Where the f are you going? What the f? Driving the wrong way down the road? Stolen car? Temporary plate A5916469. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're driving the wrong way down the road? You're driving the wrong way down the road?
I just realized that.
Well, pay attention to signs.
Right, but if you bang on my car, it's gonna,
I'm trying to keep everyone safe,
I
man.
realized that I did an idiot.
So you just kept going? You should turn around and fix your mistake, yo.
Alright.
Makes me think you're like in a stolen car. Alright, just pay attention, man. Oh my God. Can we not walk in the bike lane, please? Can we pay attention? Thank you.
Driver carelessly reversed onto the road and blocked the oncoming traffic from moving on. Needless to say, a great driving move.
You're gonna be... Oh my God. Great driving! That looks really safe. What, there's not enough scooters? Oh!
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with
You didn't hit your head, did you? Okay, that's good. I'm just gonna stand this up. For sure.
Thank you guys.
All right, of course. Oh my God. You're going the wrong way, dumb. Supposed to ride in the street. You've got multiple. Good job stopping in a bike lane. Very good. Surprise, surprise. Bike lanes are not for cars. Look at this beautiful thing. I didn't know bicycles came with 4 wheels. There's a whole area in there you could stop. Nope, gotta block the bike lane, because you're a jerk.
2 days later.
Nope, nope, no. You stupid mother. Does it say walk? Pretty sure it doesn't. Yep, bike lane's a perfect place to park. Move your ass. Watch your door. Hello. Doesn't look.
For the grant money. It says public funds should not go to private schools.
Big Lou will answer your call and work to fit you into a term life policy that you can afford. Remember. Meds too.
Oh my God!
Let us down. He has let us down because he's unwilling. He's unwilling to take responsibility for any of the mistakes that were made.
That road is always a danger for drivers in traffic. Rain mixed with the oil on the road creates a rather slippery surface, and once you hit it, there is no turning back, especially if you're moving at a high rate of speed. The camera was minding his own business here when all of a sudden a crazy driver cut right in front of him and got out of his car to start some trouble. When the camera asked him why was he so mad, he said it was because he didn't allow him to cut in front. What a champ. In this situation, the camera lost control of his vehicle and he hit the road median. The driver who crashed had impaired vision, but he didn't know it until the accident occurred.
Sync will attempt to call 911. If you wish to cancel the call, please hold the phone button. A 911 assist call is being sent.
Oh my god.
Whoa! With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on Call on DashCam channel. I hope you guys managed to enjoy and learn something from this one. After all, it will make us happy if you realized that some of these moves are wrong and that you won't repeat them. Make sure to leave a like if you support this type of content. While you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content I put out. Until the next one, drive safe and be patient.